How to block someone on Monopoly Go app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, if you want to block someone on Monopoly Go game, here in this home page, you can see this friends icon at the bottom right. Tap on it. Once you're in this friends and family page, you need to go to this leaderboard section. Tap on it. Here you can find 3 different tabs of global, local and friends. Head over to this friends section. You can see all the friends that you have in this game. Now, in order to block someone, all you need to do is tap and hold on the person that you want to block. You will see a pop-up like this, and here you can see 3 dots icon. Tap on it. Now you will see the option to remove. You can simply tap on remove. It will ask you for your confirmation. If you really want to remove this person, you can choose to remove, and there you go. That's the only way to block someone on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.